Hi everybody! Ever since I finished this bike, people have been asking me,
Hey man, what are you gonna do with this giant hole?
well, if there's a hole, we need to fill it. And if you don't know what to fill it with, there's only one correct answer. Beer. And just to have a bit of fun, I will use rebar and a stick welder. Alright, let's get this party on the road. Well, that actually worked out pretty good. If you want to see more videos like this one, maybe consider subscribing. And if you want to see more videos of this bike, I have a bunch of those on my channel already. And if you like the thought of riding your bike on a hot summer day, stopping somewhere along the road just to pull out a boiling hot dust and dirt covered beer from the back of your engine, well then maybe leave a like as well. Thank you for watching and I'll see you later. Bye!